स्नेहा।
यस मैम।
स्नेहा
यस मैम।
बेटा 12:15 पे आप शुरू कर दीजिएगा।
श्योरली
ठीक
मैम।
है।
ओके मैम।
हाँ बच्चे।
So, okay, I think जिसे ज्वाइन करना था, जिन बच्चों को वो कर चुके हैं, let us begin with the program. Dear students, we
Yes.
welcome you on this platform. And before I hand over the platform to Sneha Solanki, तुम लोगों की बहुत बहुत हिम्मत है और तुम लोगों को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं कि तुम लोग आज यहाँ पर एकत्रित हुए हो इस कार्यक्रम को करने के लिए, इस कार्यक्रम में भाग लेने के लिए। सबसे बड़ी बात होती है पार्टिसिपेट करना, और मैं यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि मे द बेस्ट विन। इसका ये मतलब बिल्कुल नहीं है कि अगर हम कुछ सेकंड से या कुछ नंबरों से पीछे रह गए हैं तो कहीं कुछ कमी है। हो सकता है बहुत सारे मंचों पर बहुत सारी चीजें हमें भी ना आती हो। जो सीखने के लिए सदा तैयार है वही सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी है, मैं यही कहना चाहती हूँ। और इसके साथ ही मैं मंच सौंपती हूँ आगे के कार्यक्रम के लिए, हैंड ओवर करती हूँ स्नेहा सोलंकी को, जिसमें कॉलेज के परिचय के साथ साथ हम आपको इसके सारे नियम वगैरह भी बताएंगे। और मैं आशा करती हूँ कि ये बहुत फ्रूटफुल और बहुत मजेदार इवेंट हमारा होने वाला है। सो स्नेहा, व्हाट डू यू?
ओके मैम। Knowledge is like a garden. If it is not cultivated, it cannot be harvested. A warm good afternoon to one and all present over here. I, Sneha Solanki, welcome uh, you all and take this profound opportunity to welcome you to the Srijan 2021, the annual cultural fest of Shama Prasad Mukherjee College for Women, University of Delhi. I would like to express the heartfelt gratitude to our patron, Professor Sadhna Sharma, Staff Advisor to the Student Council, Dr. Anju Jain and Dr. Ulmil Vats, and the team of Student Council for organizing this fest, under which 15 events are being carried out gracefully. Sunny days and starry nights. It must be nice to see those lights, a representation of something not straight. Oh, how long must I wait? Moving ahead with the event, Pragya, the GK quiz competition, I welcome you all once again to the competition of mind, intellect, interest, and joy. Let me introduce you all to our honorable judges for today's event, Dr. Shivani George, Mrs. Alpana Rastogi, and Dr. Manisha Arora. Before moving forward, I request all the participants to switch on their camera so that we can have a group photo. I request
Yeah,
all the
all of you.
participants to switch on your cameras and the event heads and the judges.
Welcome, students. Hope you really enjoy this program and learn something. Who's clicking the screenshot?
I'm the event head. Neha, Ishika, Nandita, and Anushka. I hope the photo thing is done. Event heads.
Kindly proceed.
We know that all the participants must be exhilarated But before moving forward, let's have a glance at the guidelines of the competition. First guideline, the Google form will be provided once the competition starts, which contains 3 sections for which 20 minutes will be given. Second guideline is section 3, that is feedback is mandatory to fill, otherwise your response will not be evaluated. Third, no negative marking will be done. And fourth, decision of the judges will be final. आपको जो फॉर्म दिया जाएगा क्विज के लिए उसमें 3 सेक्शंस होंगे. फर्स्ट सेक्शन में आपकी डिटेल्स, सेकंड सेक्शन में आप लोग के क्वेश्चंस होंगे और थर्ड सेक्शन में फीडबैक होगा. और आपको तीनों सेक्शंस मैंडेटरी हैं फिल करने, अदरवाइज आप लोग का रिस्पांस इवैल्यूएट नहीं किया जाएगा कंपटीशन के लिए. नो यू डोंट हैव टू लीव द मीटिंग. मीटिंग में सबको रहना है एंड अपने फॉर्म्स फिल करने हैं. और 20 मिनट्स दिए जाएंगे आप सभी को तीनों सेक्शंस के लिए. आपको तीनों सेक्शन उस गिवन 20 मिनट्स के अंदर ही फिल करने हैं. आगे जाने से पहले अगर किसी को कोई डाउट है तो वो पूछ सकते हैं.
Ma'am, I want to ask that what you said, ma'am. First section will have our details. Second
Your
section will
details
have
like your name, course, year, college, and your contact number.
Yeah.
Your
Okay.
personal details.
Anurag, when you will receive the form, the link, it has 3 sections. Section 1, it will have a detailed guideline. There are 9 or 10 guidelines. You have to read it very carefully, and most of it are written here, but that guideline is even more detailed. And in that section only, you have to fill your name. First, you have to fill your email ID, your name, your roll number, not roll number, semester, course, year, and your phone number, I think. And after that, you will get section B, which is a set of 50 questions. And the third section is the feedback form, where there are 3 or 4 questions. Unless you fill the feedback, you cannot submit it. So all the 3 sections should be duly filled. That is all.
Ma'am, what about the feedback? Which kind of feedback do you have to give?
Feedback also has multiple choice. You have to click on whatever you feel is right according to you, correct according to you. It is your response how you felt about the
feedback will be subjective. It will be based on your experience.
Your experiences of the program.
And also total time you
And,
get is
where the
20 minutes, bache, for the entire form to be filled and the questions to be attempted. You get 20 minutes.
मैम क्वेश्चन
Please keep in mind that.
पे दिखेंगे या फिर यहीं पे दिखेंगे?
दीपाली क्या कह रहे हैं
Ma'am,
आप
where
बच्चे?
will the
Questions
form?
Google form पे होंगे. Google
Ma'am,
form
where will the forms be given?
फॉर्म यही
आपको
आपको
Google Meet पे
यही
भी
मिल
दिया
जाएगा
और WhatsApp
चैट
group पे
बॉक्स
भी.
में.
ओके मैम, तो हम लीव कर
चैट
सकते
बॉक्स
हैं
में और
मीटिंग को
व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में
जब
भी.
स्टार्ट हो जाता है.
दोनों जगह लिंक
आपको
भेज दिए जाएंगे.
हाँ.
ओके 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 मैम.
So shall we
We
move forward?
we just want you not to leave the group unless you have completed your quiz. Okay? Not to leave the Google this meeting, unless you have completed your quiz. Yes, Sneha.
Also, Sneha, we'll be, result will be announced. So you need to wait after you complete and submit your form. So you need to wait for some time because you will come to know the result here itself.
Yes, that is also there.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, the
Moving
question will
forward
be.
with the
Ma'am, the question
yes.
will be in MCQ format, MCQ multiple choice question.
Yes,
the
it is.
questions
Yes,
are
It is
objective.
MCQ.
Yes.
20
Okay.
मिनट बहुत होगा, आप परेशान नहीं होइए. It is going to be a very beautiful experience.
Thank you, ma'am.
Moving forward with the competition, throw away all your tension and leave yourself for the win. It's time to get started with the competition. Manisha ma'am, please send the link. Okay. And your time starts now. All the best to all the participants.
बेटे जो पहले को इस मीटिंग में थे स्नेहा, और अगर टेक्निकल इशू की वजह से उनका मीटिंग लीव हो गया है, उनको अलाउ कर देना।
Yes, ma'am. Okay, okay. Ma'am, students are still joining.
हेलो। मैम, मैम मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ मैम, फॉर्म सबमिट नहीं हो रहा है मैम, उसमें बार बार वो आ रहा है जो क्लिक
अनुराग, इसमें कैप्चा आएंगे आपके पास। गूगल ये जानना चाहता है कि आप रोबोट तो नहीं है। कैप्चा में जो सवाल पूछे जा रहे हैं
वो
उससे पूछा
वो
जाएगा कि ट्यूबलाइट या कुछ भी जो सवाल पूछे जा रहे हैं उसका आंसर दीजिए, आपका फॉर्म सबमिट हो जाएगा। 4-5
वो
बार
मैंने
कैप्चा आएंगे।
मैम वो मैंने किया है मैम, कई बार किया है मैंने, 7-8 बार मैम, तब से कर ही रहा हूँ मैं, मतलब 5 मिनट से
अनुराग,
मैम।
उसके बिना नहीं होगा बेटा, आप उसे कीजिए।
आप इमेज पे जाके रिफ्रेश वाला आइकन दबा के दूसरी इमेज लाके वेरीफाई कर सकते हैं। तो इट विल हार्डली टेक 2 मिनट, तो हो जाएगा सबमिट। गाइस हरी अप, 3 minutes are being left.
Priyanka, feedback form is a part of your Google form.
Yes, it's the third section of your form, Priyanka. Okay, guys, 1 minute is being left.
Excuse me,
Ansh,
Yes.
I have submitted the form, but I have a doubt in one question. Question number 44. I think none of the options is correct.
okay, we'll see to it.
Okay. Okay.
I have submitted.
Okay, guys, timer. Please wrap up your responses. I hope everybody has submitted their responses.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
अभी तक 30 रिस्पॉन्स 29 दिख रहे थे मुझे.
मैम एक्चुअली पार्टिसिपेंट्स में इवेंट हेड्स और जजेस भी है ना, तो उनको एक्सक्लूड
हाँ,
कर
it is okay. Yes, yes, madam.
Okay, so soon the judges will get back to us with the results. Until then, we have an exciting activity for you.
Sneha, listen, sorry to disturb, but the Soumya Agarwal, she's facing some issues.
Soumya Agarwal, क्या हुआ उसको?
Yes, she just texted.
Oh,
What is it, Soumya? Can you please tell us?
Yes, Soumya, please unmute yourself. Hello, Soumya, are you there?
Yes, I'm facing an issue.
What happened?
While filling the captcha, I don't know what is going on. It's not taking.
Refresh your images and then fill it again. It will be easy.
Yeah, I'm selecting the right option, but I don't know what is.
What, you're not able to submit your form, is it?
Yeah.
Refresh your captcha.
Verify नहीं होती है ना?
Yeah.
अगर image को refresh करो, you will get the new images which will be easy to select.
Okay.
Yeah, try to do that and let us know.
Yeah, it's saying you're not accepting our responses.
Ashutosh is saying that he faced the same problem, so you need to submit captcha 2 to 3 times.
I have submitted my form, but it is mentioned that you are no longer accepting responses. Try contacting the owner of the form.
Okay, let me ask you, ma'am. Wait a second.
Yeah.
That means your 20 minutes are over.
But I'm trying to do the capture work now. Otherwise, I filled the full form. I was facing this problem.
Because the link is closed, Soumya. Time is was only 20 minutes.
But it's not my fault. Now in this, I had completed my form. Only the capture thing take time.
Everyone else must have done the capture thing.
But captcha had to be verified, Soumya.
But
in every Google form, some kind of thing is there.
Ma'am, should we consider this?
Yeah, consider. No hassles.
Okay. No issue, Soumya. We'll consider your this thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Manisha, I'll give you a call. Kindly pick up your phone.
Okay, so the results will be out in 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, Ansh ma'am is looking into that. Since this pandemic has brought us all together here on this virtual platform, and we should not miss this chance to get to know each other, because it's time for an icebreaker. I request all the participants to switch on their camera and say hello to each other. सब participants अपने camera on कर ले and अपना introduction दे, एक brief introduction, so that we all can know each other well.
स्नेहा एक एक करके नेम अनाउंस कर देना।
No, it's okay. They ये करके बोल सकते हैं. Whosoever is interested. Hello Nayan. Hello Ansh. Hello
Hello
Shreyans.
everyone. Hello Sneha. Hello everyone. Hello Sneha ma'am. This is Nayan Jain here from ARST College, Delhi University. I'm currently pursuing as a student of first year and second semester, basically from BSc Honors Physics. So that's a brief introduction about myself and my college. And I'm from Madhya Pradesh, especially from Gwalior district. And other what other things I have to tell about myself. That's all about myself.
That I will ask in the icebreaker question.
Do I have to describe my hobbies as well? No, I don't think.
It is nice to meet you.
Okay.
Yeah, nice listening
Okay.
about
Thank
you.
you. You too. You too. You too. You
Okay,
too.
next.
Hello everyone, myself Ansh Agarwal. I'm from Sri Venkateshwara College. I'm currently pursuing BCom program course in my first year. And yes, I love quizzing a lot and I love this quiz so much. Really got to know a lot. Winning and losing is a different thing altogether.
It is nice to meet you, Ansh.
Thank you so much. Same
Okay,
the same.
next.
Hello, Di. Hello, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Am I
Hello
audible?
Shreyans.
Hello, Shreyans.
Yes,
Hello.
you are audible.
I'm from Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh, and I'm in Hansraj College, and I'm pursuing BSc Honors Geology. I'm in the first year. Yeah,
Okay,
and I like using and taking participation in competitions and all.
that's cool. It is nice to meet you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, next. No one else?
Come on, guys. All of you were so excited yesterday.
I think
Tell us about
Neeru is
yourself.
saying something. Neeru,
Yes, yes,
you are
yes,
not
go on.
audible.
Hello, Dee. Hello. Hello, everyone. Am I
Hello,
audible?
Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
you
yes,
are.
you're audible.
So, I am from Hansraj College, currently pursuing BSc Geology honors, and I'm from Ranchi, Jharkhand. And I also like quizzing, participating in quizzing competition and all. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you.
Same here.
Next, anyone else? No one? So shall we move forward with the icebreaker? Okay, over there.
Yeah.
So here goes your first question. When I will ask the question, either you raise your hand or write in the chat box that you want to answer this. Okay?
Okay.
Here is your first question. If you could make a rule for one day and everyone had to follow it, what would it be? अगर आप लोग को एक रूल बनाना हो एक दिन के लिए और सबको फॉलो करना तो क्या रूल होगा?
Everyone in the country, especially in a house in a vicinity.
Everyone had to follow
Everyone.
it. So yes, 1.3 billion population of India. Okay, Ishrat is saying destroy corruption in India. Wear mask. Don't do useless work and follow your interest only. And follow your interest only. Spend some time with your loved ones. Okay, Priyanka. Priyanka is saying enjoy. Ansh Agarwal, no pollution at all. Dipali Dagar, free and compulsory education up to age 16. Saurabh is saying we'll take everyone on trekking. And Yashika is saying no classes at all. Interesting. Soumya is saying in this difficult time, please stay at home until unless it's important. Okay. Neeru is saying do what you like. Amazing responses. Okay. Yashita is saying believe in yourself and have trust. Okay, it's nice to know the opinion of your people. Here goes the second question. Okay, Ashutosh is saying, I will say everyone to run that their tummy can settle inside. Nayan is saying, I would enforce the rule to transfer money earned by richest to poor. Okay. Okay, shall we
So
move
that's
forward to
where I
the
want to
next
say I would
question?
enforce the rich tax.
Yeah, it is actually good. Okay, second question. What would your superpower be and why? I think this question is interesting. What would your superpower be and why? Nobody wants any superpower. Yes, of course, it is hypothetical. Making anyone healthy just by touching him or her. Okay. To make everyone comfortable as they feel free to talk. That's nice, Priyanka. Shreyansh, my superpower is my Junoon. It appreciates me a lot. That's cool. Ayush is saying reading minds. Okay. Neeru, I think my superpower is my mom and I don't want anything else. Yashika Mehta, to go in teacher's house and give myself full internal marks. Wow. Saurabh is saying fun. Nan is saying having the power to control time. Okay. Rahul is saying making everyone happy. My superpower would be to. Okay, let me think. Maybe mind compulsion. You know, to make people do the things that I want the way to just let them be.
Sneha, you're talking about we have, or we could have it. We already have that superpower, or we want to have it.
If you want to have any
We want to
superpower.
have it. The power that you want to have it. Mine, I want to have the power of the mind compulsion. Even hits can answer these questions as well. Neha,
I
Rishita,
would,
Nandita,
yes,
Ishita.
I would want the power of flying so that there's no issue of, traveling and I could just fly away wherever I want to.
Yes, and you can just fly in the sky with
Yeah.
full of freedom.
No expense for the traveling, nothing. Fly and reach.
Okay. Shailendra is saying, what is he saying?
नहीं प्लीज तुम
To
लोग
travel with the speed of light.
कंटिन्यू करो.
Okay, ma'am. Soumya is saying to sense crime near me and to be able to stop it. That's actually cute, Soumya. I also want to do that. Actually, that can happen with mind compulsion. Okay, so I'm forwarding the questions to my even heads. Now,
Yes, so I'll continue with the third question. The third question is, which fictional character you would choose your friend and why? You can answer in the chat box as well as you can speak up if you want. Mehta Sahib, Anish is saying Mehta Sahib. Priyanka
Who has said
Tripathi.
Doraemon?
Priyanka is saying
Tripathi.
Doraemon. I guess I will relate to that very much. I guess I would also want to have Doraemon.
Nobita.
Rahul is
yes, ma'am. Doraemon.
yes, Doraemon is somewhat
Pocket
very
full
much,
of treasure.
yes. Sneha, then you can have
Yes,
the
best
flying
question.
bamboo copter also. Okay, you don't have a friend. So I am your friend, just say me. What do you want me to be a fictional character as? Okay, Shin Chan, Doraemon. Everybody is a big fan of Doraemon. Dobby of Harry Potter. Oh, that emotional character. Iron Man, Bonnie from TVD, Jon Snow, Noddy, Harry Potter, Hermione and Weasley. All three of them you want. Ninja Hattori, Tom and Jerry, Thanos. Oggy. It's a lot from the Cartoon Network sites and Disney and Hangama.
I think I would just take someone from the series.
I guess I would do with Tarak Mehta also. That is also very much good.
Daya Ben.
Yeah, total entertainment. Gangadhar, okay. Jethalal, of course. Okay, so I guess there are a lot of from Doraemon, Harry Potter. Someone wants three of them only. Harry Potter, Hermione, all of them. Sakharam, okay. Now someone wants a scooter. So we'll move on to the fourth question. Who is your role model and why?
Guys, for this question आप लोग अपनी mic को on करके खुद ही बोलना, इसको लिखना मत.
Yes, please speak up. Just say who is your role model and why. We want
First,
to
if I
also
tell
hear.
you, yeah, may I tell you?
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
Yeah, actually, my role model is always the great Elon Musk. Actually, I always follow him a lot. Actually, whether it is on the Twitter or his work ethic. Why I like Elon Musk just because of his work ethic. He is just matlab, I mean work like hell. He's a kind of work like hell. He has a work ethic to work like hell. So that's what I want to impart in my life also. His work ethic.
Okay, that's very nice to hear. So, well,
I would take
guess
this answer as well.
Yes, that's very much
Nice one, Nayan.
interesting. Yeah, anyone else? I'm sure everybody has a role model. Yeah, you yourself can also be a role model to others. So please.
Okay, मैं अपना बता देती हूँ. My role models are my mom and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Okay, Sneha. So, and why?
Everybody is allowed to speak, so please, सब लोग बोल सकते हैं. Even our judges can participate.
Yes, ma'am. I was going
My
to
role
ask.
model is they are my students. Keep us
Okay,
young and keep us on the path of learning every year after year. We learn from you people. Every new batch has a lot to tell. और बेटा ये एक मैं अपने एक्सपीरियंस से कहती हूँ, पहले जनरेशन के साथ बदलती थी, अब जनरेशन साल के साथ बदलता है. आपको भी लगता होगा कि आपका जो जूनियर बैच आया है वो आपसे कितना डिफरेंट है हर माने में. So I think I'm speaking for the teaching community. Students are our role model. Keep us on the track of always moving ahead. Always, they force us to learn new things, and it is a blessing. It is a real blessing. मैं बच्चों रिजल्ट लगभग तैयार हो गया है. कुछ बातें मैं पूछना चाहती थी. There are some participants who have not entered their full details. Which college is VNC?
Vivekanand
College. Yeah. So whenever this is for your future also, whenever you face any kind of examination, take it very seriously, and you have to enter your full details. And you should always write the name which you want on your certificate or whatever. Okay? तो ये आप कहेंगे कि ये टीचर है, यहाँ भी शुरू हो गई हैं, बट क्या करें, आदत तो आदत है. So कल्पना, आप भी माइक ऑन कर लीजिए. सॉरी, वीडियो ऑन कर लीजिए.
Okay.
So dear students, here we are. हम आपके अभी जो आप आनंद उठा रहे थे बच्चों के सवाल का, उसमें बाधा नहीं बनना चाहते हैं. मैं डॉक्टर शिवानी जॉर्ज हूँ, हिंदी डिपार्टमेंट से हूँ. आप डॉक्टर अल्पना रस्तोगी, मिसेस अल्पना रस्तोगी हैं मैथमेटिक्स डिपार्टमेंट से, और डॉक्टर मनीषा है हिंदी डिपार्टमेंट से। सो हम सब ने मिलके हमारे जो बच्चे हैं टीम के, उनके साथ भी आप मिल चुके हैं, उनके साथ आपका इंटरेक्शन भी ग्रुप में होता रहा है। तो हम सब ने मिलके ये डिज़ाइन किया और ये इस मुश्किल समय में मुझे लगता है कि एक नई चीज़ हमारे सामने आई है। जितने भी आज प्रतिभागी रहे वे सब बधाई के पात्र हैं सबसे पहले तो। और या आशुतोष, थैंक यू आशुतोष। तो जितने भी हमारे आज स्टूडेंट्स हैं वे सभी बधाई के पात्र हैं। अंडर ग्रेजुएट हैं आप सभी और अभी आपके सामने जिंदगी की किताब खुली है ना? इसके बहुत सारे पन्ने अभी पढ़ने बाकी हैं, कुछ पढ़े हैं आपने। अब अंतर यही है कि जिंदगी को देखने का मेरा चश्मा दूसरा है, आपका चश्मा दूसरा है। और इस चश्मे को कभी मत छोड़िएगा, यानी अपने नजरिए को कभी मत छोड़िएगा। जिंदगी को देखने का आपका जो नजरिया है हमेशा उसको अपने साथ रखिएगा। एंड सो लेट मी अनाउंस द रिजल्ट्स। और अल्पना, आप अनाउंस करना चाहेंगे?
ओके,
एक मैं कर देती हूँ, एक आप कर दें और एक मनीषा कह देंगे।
बिल्कुल ठीक। तो शुरुआत हम
थर्ड प्राइज से करते हैं।
फर्स्ट प्राइज,
थर्ड प्राइज से,
थर्ड प्राइज,
थर्ड
ओके।
से शुरू करते हैं।
So, winner of third position in the GK quiz today is Yashika. Yashika, you are from Vivekanand College?
Yes, ma'am.
And you haven't mentioned your course, beta.
What course are you from, Yashika?
BSc Mathematics Honors.
Okay, good.
रत्ना मैम भी BSc मैथमेटिक्स की है, इसीलिए उनके ओके में कुछ अलग सी बात है।
अच्छा लगता है। नहीं, पर बच्चे सारे ही अच्छे हैं। So Yashika, congratulations.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
हाँ, मनीषा, आप बताइए सेकंड पोजीशन पे जो बच्चा है।
आज के जो सेकंड प्राइज जिन्होंने जीता है उनका नाम है दीपाली फ्रॉम BSc मैथ्स ऑनर्स थर्ड ईयर। सो कांग्रेचुलेशन डियर।
थैंक यू मनीषा। एंड अंकित है रामजस कॉलेज से, ये BSc ऑनर्स केमिस्ट्री के हैं, फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट हैं। आप फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे हैं, तो आप तीनों को बहुत बहुत बधाई हो। अंकित, आप अपना वीडियो, सारे बच्चे एक बार और अपना वीडियो ऑन कर लें। और सारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स को बहुत बहुत बधाई हो, आपने यहाँ।
Congratulations to the winners and participants. Thank you for participating.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations to all of you. Participating is the big thing.
Yes,
and I
participation matters. So we are so happy to have you all here with us. And इसी तरह से जो है आप पार्टिसिपेट करते रहिए, कभी ना कभी आपका भी चांस होगा, नो प्रॉब्लम।
तो आप सबको भविष्य के लिए बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। अब हम ये मीटिंग को, इस मीटिंग को यहीं खत्म करेंगे और आगे की जो प्रक्रिया होगी वो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे आप हमसे कांटेक्ट में रह सकते हैं। हमारे जो स्टूडेंट आपके साथ जुड़े हैं मैं आपको बताती हूँ, ठीक है?
ओके, थैंक यू।
Okay, bye-bye.
For being here, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thanks to the team and thank you, participants. And congratulations again to the winners.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ankit.
Excuse me. Can we know our scores?
Who is it?
I would ask that to the ma'am if scores would be released or not.
Please send it to
पॉसिबल
group
होगा
that
तो हम ग्रुप पे इन्फॉर्म कर देंगे, अगर पॉसिबल हुआ तो।
Manisha ma'am and Shivani ma'am. Ma'am, the participants are asking for the scores. Ma'am.
Bachcho, we would let you know later. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, stay connected
much,
in the
ma'am.
group. We will let you know.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Have a good day, ma'am.
Thank
Okay,
you,
beta.
Archibald, for participating.
Stay
Thanks,
safe and
everyone.
stay healthy. Thank you all.
You too.
Wear masks.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye.